Good morning, everyone. I am Aaron Sebastian, and today I will be explaining the design of pseudocode and algorithm. So let's move on to the pseudocode. Uh, for writing a pseudocode, you need to know a bit of a code. So, you don't need to explain the code very much or write it perfectly. You just need to write the simplest way of writing a code. So first you need a start. Then for this pseudocode, we are just monitoring patients' glucose level to determine if there is high risk or low risk. So first we go by start. Then we have to input patient's age, then patient's blood pressure, and patient's glucose level. If the blood pressure is greater than 140 or glucose is greater than 200, then we have to set risk. The risk should be set to high risk. If not, if the blood pressure is greater than 120 and glucose level is greater than 150, then we have to set it to moderate. If it's not that, we have to set it low risk. And we have to display the risk level and we have to end that. So let's move on to the flowchart. Flowchart would be like this. In the oval, we have to put the start, and in the parallelogram, we have to input all the input and print function should be done in the parallelogram. And in the diamond shape, we have to make all decisions. And in the square, in the rectangle, we have to make all calculations and so on. So we go start with put a start in the oval, then move on, and we use a parallelogram. Inside that, we have to input patient age, glucose BP, glucose level. And then we have to check if BP is greater than 140 or glucose is greater than 200. If it's true, we'll print higher risk. If it's not, we'll check if glucose is greater than 140 or uh, if BP is greater than 140, lesser than 140 and greater than 120, and glucose is lesser than 200 and greater than 150. If yes, we'll print low risk. And all should be connected to the end. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching.